Dear Aggies, during this short screencast, I will demonstrate the fastest way to find a subject guide that correlates to your area of study. The first thing you will need to do is get to the library's main page. Once you get to the library's main page, select the tab that says Subject plus Course Guides. Once you select that tab, you will see it will highlight. When it does that, slide over here and select the link that says All Subject Guides. Once you select that link, scroll down until you find the subject guide that correlates to your area of study. Since I am a physical sciences and engineering librarian, most of my guides will fall under the engineering and transportation section. Once you find the subject guide that matches your discipline, there are 2 questions you have to answer to be ready for week 3 assignment. Number 1, find the name of your subject librarian, and then 2, take a look at the subject guide and find 2 major databases that are listed on that subject guide. Happy searching!